So now let us discuss about the past statement. So past statement is a null statement that does nothing. Okay, it is used as a placeholder for future codes. So the syntax is for element in range of something like 10. So you have to pass. So this is all about the past statement. So now let us look into the functions. So functions are a block of statements that perform a specific task. So when you are calling function, you have to use def keyword. So def function name, and you have to pass the parameters like parameter 1, parameter 2, and so on. Next you have to use the colon, and you have to return the value. And here you can perform some work. So let me take an example. So let us create a new file called function.py. There def is the keyword which is used for the function syntax. So sum of a comma b, and you have to use the colon. So s is equal to a plus b. Next you have to return s. Okay, just a moment. Yes. So next after returning, uh, you have to print. Then you have to call this function. So next you have to call this function inside the print statement, that is sum. And here you have given a and b as a parameter 1 and 2. So instead of a, you can take any of the integer values. So I have took 2, and instead of b, 3. So let me save it and let me run. Okay. So 2 plus 3, 5. So likewise 20 plus 3. Let me save and let me run. So 23. So this is the function. So in the functions in Python, there are some of the built-in functions where some of them are print, length, and type, and range. These are all the built-in functions. So in the functions, we have one is the built-in functions, one is the customizable, that is the user defined functions. Okay, next let us look into the default parameters. So default parameters is defined with a fallback value as a default argument, that is assigning a default value to parameter which is used when no arguments are passed. So now let us take an example. So let me create a new file. Okay, here def greet name, these are the arguments, sorry, the parameters, and sg uh, good morning. Okay, now uh, I want to print hello, and then I want to print the name of the person or the user, and then I want to add a comma in between. and then the message, that's the good morning. Okay, so after this, greet. Let me take Namrata. So greet Namrata and comma good morning. Okay, so now let us run this code and see what we will get as output. So here, hello Namrata, good morning. So here, greet has taken up. Wait, let me just show you. First, we have taken def greet and we have passed the parameters as name and message. So this part, wherein if you see in the code, so this is the function and this is the function call, where after calling the greet function it have taken the parameters as name and then the message, and it have printed hello Namrata, good morning. So this is how the default parameter works.